Alright, welcome to my series, Easy Pronunciation for Beginners. I've got two short vowel sounds for you in this lesson. Ah. My series will help you to naturalise your pronunciation and will give you more confidence when speaking in English. Are you ready? Let's start the lesson. We'll start with the short vowel sound eh. You'll practice the sounds in isolation, in words, and in natural sentences. Remember, when you see this symbol, it's your sign to repeat. Eh. 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 Bed. Eh. Bed. Eh. Pen. Eh. Pen. My pen is on the bed. My pen is on the bed. Remember to copy my stress and my intonation. My pen is on the bed. My pen is on the bed. Egg. Egg. Red. Red. The egg is red. The egg is red. Great job! Well done! 10. 10. Pets. Pets. I have 10 pets. I have 10 pets. Excellent! Well done! Let's practice some questions. Remember to listen and copy my intonation. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? The pen is on the bed. The pen is on the bed. What colour is the egg? What colour is the egg? The egg is red. The egg is red. How many pets do you have? How many pets do you have? I have 10 pets. I have 10 pets. Bed. Bed. Spelling. We usually spell the sound with the letter E, but there are some exceptions. We can also spell the sound with I-E. Friend. E-A. Breakfast. A. Any. A-I. Said. For the next short vowel sound, you need to Open your mouth. Love. 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 Sunday. Sunday. I love Sundays. I love Sundays. This is true. I really do love Sundays. Monday. Monday. I love Mondays. I love Mondays. Maybe this one isn't true for me. I don't really love Mondays. Sun. Sun. I love the sun. I love the sun. Did you copy my stress and my intonation? Try again. I love the sun. Fantastic job. Well done. Do you like Sundays? Do you like Sundays? I love Sundays. I love Sundays. Do you love Monday? Do you love Monday? I love Mondays. I love Mondays. Do you love the sun? Do you love the sun? I love the sun. I love the sun. Spelling. We usually spell the sound with the letter U. Sunday, sun, umbrella, number, but, bus, lunch, but also with the letter O. Love, Monday, brother, sun, O-E, does, O-U, young. Well done, you've practiced 2 short vowel sounds. You've practiced the sounds in isolation, in words, and in natural, connected speech, in sentences. You've practiced and naturalised your pronunciation, and I hope you've developed more confidence when speaking. You've also noticed and practiced stress and intonation, so important in natural pronunciation. You've also looked at some sound and spelling relationships and patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this pronunciation lesson. If you have, don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe to my channel, The Grammar Goat English Academy. I post daily shorts and weekly English language lessons. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your English language learning, and I'll see you in the next English lesson.